It is time for another beach adventure, and today we have even some snow on the ground that was snowing actually during the last night, and it's still on the ground because it is only 0 degrees Celsius in the air right now, so it's super cold. The wind is not so strong, so that's good, but when it blows I feel very cold, so we're gonna need to keep this episode very quick. But this is a special episode because this is beach day 190 on my beach adventures in Sweden this year. Yep, you heard it right, 190 this year in Sweden. Sweden is one of the most northernmost countries in the world, and people have big misconceptions that it's only cold here and it rains all the time and it snows. But if you see my videos every single day from April up until now in November, it has been mostly sunshine, partly clouds, very few days that it was raining. But the snow is on the way, of course. There are a few months in Sweden with snow, obviously. And that's great because I can do cross-country skiing and ice skating on a frozen lake. But the beach adventure and the beach season for this year will soon come to an end. I have a goal to do 10 more days, but we're gonna see if I'm gonna make it. I am revisiting another great location that has the beach that I visited on 31st of May on beach day number 39, and it has around 10,000 views on my channel. So I wanted to make a revisit here because it's one of the most popular videos, and I hope you're gonna like this one as well. And this is Drevvikens Naturistbad, as it is marked on Google Maps. And Naturistbad means nudist beach, but as it is 16th of November today and 0 degrees Celsius in the air, there is not much of an interest for a nudist beach anyway, because it is freezing cold, obviously. But it's good for a nice cold deep in the lake. Technically it is still autumn in Sweden, but 0 degrees in most of the countries can be considered as a winter, but not in Sweden. In Stockholm it is still meteorological autumn. I think it will become winter in a few days, but not yet. And that's the meteorological one, because obviously the calendar winter comes on 20th of December, which is the shortest day of the year on the northern hemisphere as well. Yes, so you can see there is some snow on the ground, and also on the other side there's another jetty, but this one is actually a bit broken. So you can see it is part of the jetty is down in the water, and then you need to go up, but then again there is no entrance into the water. You can obviously jump, but I'm definitely not going to jump at these temperatures. And yes, this is located in the Flatten Nature Reserve. So Flatten Lake, it's only 500 meters away from here. That's a different lake, smaller one. This one is Drevviken, as the name of the beach states. Actually, beach spot. Oops, okay, I almost drowned the jetty. I think it is broken. Anyway, I'm gonna use these rocks over here to take a quick dip. Okay, now I see that it was almost 4 minutes in this main segment, so I need to speed up because it is cold. And we're gonna see soon the temperature. But 0 degrees in the air means that the water might have gotten a bit colder. I think it was 6 degrees in this lake last week, and so we're gonna find out what is the temperature here today. And you can see on the other side there are so beautiful rocks, and Skruba neighborhood is actually there, where that I have shown you previously on my channel. Time for the verdict. 5 degrees Celsius in the water, 5 point something, but we will round up to 5. So cold as ice. Yes, we're gonna have a quick dip here today. It's getting quite cold right now, so hopefully I can survive for 10 more days in this weather. Okay, here we have some rocks. Not optimal, but we can make it work. Okay, we're going down in 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's not that bad. I got used to this type of water, the temperatures for cold dip, so it's quite good. It's quite good and refreshing for the body. So yep, that's a wrap from Drevvikens Naturistbad in Stockholm. Thanks a lot for watching this beach day 190, and see you soon again tomorrow with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.